Thoughts are always moving inside your mind, quietly shaping your life. You cannot sit even for a moment without thinking. The two kinds of people, and those who think in a bad way. Those who think in a good way. A person who thinks well slowly rises in life. But a person who keeps thinking negatively slowly falls, without even realizing it. Nothing good ever comes without good thinking. That is the truth. Think about a poor boy. No money, no support, no shortcuts. But he has one dream: to run to win. He trains with tired legs and an empty stomach.
Chapter 6 Dhyana Yoga explains the power of the mind in shaping a person's life. Krishna says the mind can be a friend or an enemy. When the mind is disciplined through right thinking and self-control, it uplifts a person. When it is uncontrolled and filled with negative thoughts, it leads to downfall. This chapter directly teaches that inner thoughts determine inner growth. Chapter 2 Sankhya Yoga explains that a person's thoughts influence desires. Desires lead to actions, and actions shape destiny. This shows how thinking becomes being. Chapter 3 Karma Yoga connects thought with action, teaching that actions are born from inner intention. Chapter 12 Bhakti Yoga shows that constant loving thoughts towards the divine transforms one's. Together, these chapters clearly explain that repeated thoughts slowly shape who we become. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.